Good morning, dear children. We shall continue with practice set 2.1, question number 4. Question is, determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are the roots of the equation. So here in the question, they have given the two values of the variable. We have to determine whether these values are the roots of the equation or not. Means we have to determine whether these values of the variable satisfy the equation or not. Okay, so question number 1, children, you will do it for homework. We will do question number 2. Here question is 2m square minus 5m equals to 0. The values for the variable m are given 2 and 5 upon 2. So first let us take the value of m as 2. So let m is equal to 2. So here LHS will be, what we will do? We will substitute in place of m, we will substitute 2. So 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2. So we get 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 5 2s are 10. So 2 4s are 8 minus 10, which is equal to minus 2. So LHS we got minus 2. What is RHS? In the equation RHS is equal to 0. So is LHS equal to RHS? No. So LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore what we will say? M is equal to 2 is not the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, children. Now let us see whether the second value of m is the root of the equation or not. So we will suppose let m is equal to 5 upon 2. So now when we take it in LHS, we get 2 into 5 upon 2 the whole square minus 5 into 5 upon 2. So here when we solve, we get 5 upon 2 the whole square will be 25 upon 4. And this is 5 5s are 25 upon 2. Okay, now we can cancel this 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we get 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2. So this is equal to 0. Now RHS is also equal to 0. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So in this case what we can say? That m is equal to 5 upon 2 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, children. So this is how you will solve question number 4. Let's continue question number 5. Find k if x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here they have given the value of x is equal to 3 is a root of equation. Okay, the equation is kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have to find the value of k from the given value of x. So here x is equal to 3 and the equation is this. So what we will do? We will write the solution. X is equal to 3 is the root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore substituting x is equal to 3. What we will get? We will get kx square minus 10x. Let me write the equation first. Now we will substitute the value of x. So k 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 square is 9. 10 3s are 30 plus 3 is equal to 0. So this becomes 9k minus 30 plus 3 is minus 27 is equal to 0. Now here in 9k and 27 we can take the common factor as 9. So what remains? K minus 3 is equal to 0. So here we can take this 9 into k minus 3. We can solve this. We can take this 9 on the right hand side. It will become 0 upon 9. So we will get k minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, now what will be the value of k? K is equal to 0 plus 3. Therefore, k is equal to 3. So this is the solution. This is the value of k. Let's solve question number 6. One of the roots of equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. Here they have said that for this quadratic equation, one of the root is minus 7 upon 5. That means one of the value of the variable is minus 7 upon 5. So using this value, we have to complete the activity and find the value of k. So let's see. Here the equation is 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 and one of the value of m is minus 7 upon 5. So let's see the activity. Dash is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. So what is it? Minus 7 upon 5. Therefore, put m is equal to, now what value of m we will put? Minus 7 upon 5 in the equation. What we get? 5 into box. Now in box what we will write in place of m? We have to write its value minus 7 upon 5 the whole square. Plus 2 into, again in place of m we will write minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. In the next step they have given box plus k is equal to 0. If you can directly get the answer for the box, fine. Otherwise you can do the solution in rough column. So we get 5 into minus 7 upon 5 the whole square will be 49 upon 25. So this we can cancel. 5 ones are 5 5s are. So we get 49 upon 5. So this we can write in the first box 49 upon 5. In the second box here we cannot cancel anything. So what we will do straight away, we will multiply 2 with minus 7. We will get minus 14 upon 5 plus k equals to 0. Okay. Now if you look in both the boxes, the denominator is same. Now what we will do? We can directly simplify the numerator. So numerator is 49 and here minus 14. So when we subtract, we get 35. Okay. So 35 upon 5. So 35 upon 5, we can reduce it further. We will get 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So we can directly write here 7 plus k equals to 0. In the next box, they have asked the value of k. Now when we solve this, when we take 7 on the right hand side, it becomes 0 minus 7. So 0 minus 7 is minus 7. So the value of k is minus 7. Okay children. So see that you complete exercise 2.1. Okay. And you do all the sums.